welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So, as you can see from the description below, I am really excited today. We have a new subscription to unbox, and the reason I'm super excited is because it's not a subscription for me. It's not a subscription for Christopher. It's not a subscription for my husband. If you've watched any of my live streams or have followed me on Instagram, you know who Oscar and Otis are. And it's a subscription for them. It is the BULLYMAKE box. It is a dog subscription, and it says designed for power chewers. So, being a new box, I do want to tell you a little bit about it before we open it. This box does start at $39 a month. You can save and pay less per month if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or even 12 months. And you're going to receive like 5 to 6 items, and it could be 2 to 3 toys, and then like 3 or 4 snack items, or treats, snacks. They do also have an option, which I think is really cool, for like a toy-only box. But when it does come to the treats, one thing that I thought was really awesome was I was able to select, if either of them had any allergies. I thought that was super fantastic and super great that they had that option available. Now, this was very kindly sent to me for review, so BULLYMAKE, thank you so much. We do appreciate it. Oscar and Otis will be very happy. But I still kind of went in and, put in their breed, their weight, things like that. And then, like I said, allergies as far as treats. So I am super excited to dive in here and see what April 2019 has in store for BULLYMAKE and open a new subscription, and one for Oscar and Otis. Yay! They're going to get treats and they don't even know it. Oscar will be super excited about the toys. Otis, honestly, will probably be more excited about the treats. That's just keeping it real. So, when we cut it and we open up, we have a card right here on top, and it says the April BULLYMAKE box. And then it looks like on the back we have some information and pricing for items in here. And then this says new monthly giveaway. Text BULLYMAKE to 555-888 for a chance to win a year of free boxes. That's awesome. So, then we have this paper. So we pull this back, and this is what we see. So I see treats and toys. So I'm going to set this down, and I'm going to take a look here at the card, and we'll go from there. So let's see what Oscar and Otis are getting for April. Yay! Like I said, I know they are both going to be so excited. So this looks like this is going over the featured products, which are the toys. And I think this is really neat. They have a theme every month, and this month it appears to be like a video game type theme, which is amazing because Christopher is all about video games, and obviously Oscar and Otis are kind of my two other babies, my fur babies, so this is fabulous. So the first toy, this is so cute, is this right here. It is a little like gaming controller. This is an $18 value. Next time your dog chews apart your game controller, it will be okay because it will be this rugged nylon controller. While it's not compatible with Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo Switch, it is very compatible with your pooch's teeth. Designed and produced for gamer pups here in the USA. This is fantastic, you guys. Like, this, I'm excited for this. Because I feel like not only are they going to love, obviously, having a new toy, but, again, being that, I have a 9-year-old son who's all about gaming, this is amazing. So, this is, like, super heavy duty. They are not going to be able to tear this up. One thing about BULLYMAKE that I do think is awesome is if they do happen to somehow mess up the toy and demolish it, they have a 14-day, no questions asked replacement program. So if your dog somehow can go through this pretty solid toy in 14 days, they will replace it, which is amazing. That is some amazing customer service, if you ask me. So we have a blue gaming controller. Yay! And then this says, this incredibly tough toy is made in the USA. This toy encourages positive chewing behavior by providing an alternative to destructive chew. Chewing helps promote clean teeth, controlling plaque and tartar. So that's awesome. The BULLYMAKE paw controller. Cute. And then the other toy item, this is so precious. This is like a little mouse, like a computer mouse. And this is also an $18 value, and it is by BULLYMAKE. Is your pooch a PC gamer? Well, that's just fine, because this mouse will stand up to heavy clicking and even heavier chewing. Made in the USA from durable rubber, it's perfect for filling with food in case your gamer pup needs a post-game snack. So yes, you can actually, if you see, it does have the hole so you can put a snack in there. That is so cute. And this is, again, very sturdy. It's rubbery, so it's obviously a little bit softer than the other one, but still something that they're going to have a really hard time tearing up, which is great, because I have picked up stuffing and pieces of toys so many times. So this, I think, is a fantastic subscription to stop that from happening. So those are the two toys. So there's one for each, if they share. And then it looks like we have 3 different snack items. So let's take a look here. This is totally grainless sausage bites. It says chicken and cranberry recipe, 100% made in the USA. Treat for dogs made with 100% real chicken and cranberries. And it is for all dogs, like all sizes, like small, medium, and large. Grain-free, gluten-free, wheat-free, and corn-free. So I'm happy with that. So there is that. And that's a good size bag. And you can kind of see here the pieces right there, you can see are about like that. And then you can see about how big around they are. So these actually would be perfect to stick inside the little mouse. So they will enjoy these, I have no doubt. And then we have, and this is from BULLYMAKE, healthy dog treats, and it says BULLYMAKE Cloud Bites. So here is that. And let's see, it says guaranteed analysis, crude protein, minimum of 3%, crude fat, minimum of 11, crude fiber, max of 6, moisture, max of 10, 1 treat per 15 pounds per day, tapioca syrup, tapioca starch, vegetable glycerin, dehydrated ground potato, coconut oil, yogurt, dried cultured skim milk. Okay, so it's just some fun snacks. So I'm sure they'll love them. There's not really many snacks that they pass up. So then here we have BULLYMAKE Quack Tenders. So this says 1 treat per 15 pounds per day. And this has like duck, turkey, vegetables, things like that, rosemary extract, natural smoke flavor. So they will definitely love this. So I think that is awesome, you guys. This was fantastic. So again, this was the April 2019 BULLYMAKE box. This again is designed for power chewers, tough chewers, destroyers. But again, you also get treats. So we got the BULLYMAKE Quack Tenders, the BULLYMAKE Cloud Bites, the totally grainless sausage bites here, which I know they're going to love. They're going to love all three, but I know they'll love those. We got the little mouse toy that actually is a like treat toy. And then the super cute and adorable BULLYMAKE paw controller. So let me know down below what you think. I think this is super fantastic and a great way to treat your dogs. So I am so excited. I'm going to go and give them each a treat right now and give them their toys. Let me know again down below what you guys think. Do you get this subscription? Have you heard of this subscription before? Is there another subscription you'd get to treat your pups? Let me know. Again, don't forget we have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now, so make sure you do head over and enter that. The link will be down below. I will also put a link over to BULLYMAKE if you would like to sign up. And don't forget to leave a comment down below telling me about your day, what you thought of the box, and give the video a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Again, have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.